Welcome back. Signals Training Centre and Haryana State I.D.C won their respective matches on the opening day of the All India Volleyball Tournament at Cuncolim. Signal Bait hosts Cuncolim Union by 3-2, while Haryana outfit defeated RCF Mumbai in straight sets in the floodlit event. Earlier, Cuncolim MLA Rajan Naik declared the tournament open on Wednesday evening. The finals will be played on Sunday.
3, 2, 1. Please put your hands together. This tournament is now declared open. Please put your hands together for the men in the 2SCC signals. Captain of the team is Mr. Azad Singh. This is our very own team, Cuncolim Union Goa.
Very good. Yes. Again, Marada.
Cuncolim Union to serve.
Good block. Free ball. Very good. Good
Cuncolim to serve. 23-16.
A tennis academy in a Goan village is as rare as an ice cube in a desert. Coaching clinics in cricket or football are common during the holiday season, but Bastora is bracing up for education in tennis. The Randy Tennis Academy at Bastora in Bardes is looking to tap the raw talents from villages. Provided with clay courts for training under coach Valentino De Silva, this academy is attracting youngsters in the ongoing summer holidays.
This academy provides tennis coaching to those aged 6 and above. Coach Valentino De Silva believes that there is a lot of potential in village children and such initiatives will tap talents.
There is a great future for tennis in Goa because our boys are naturally talented for sports which require hand and eye coordination, good footwork, good balance, and you can't find this better than in the villages where the talent can be tapped because they are naturally gifted with the requirements of tennis, like ability to hit balls, have good balance and an eye coordination.
Owner of the academy, Jerome Montero, has dedicated the academy to his late brother.
It was a great pride for me to start this academy right over here because this academy basically is started in the memory of my brother Randolph Montero, who passed away 2 years back. It was his dream to play tennis, but it's a fulfillment for me to get all the children playing.
Our reporter from Bastora, Chandrasekhar Sawant.
And with this we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.